Problem number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. See figure 10.12. A figure is given here. This is a circle,
and this circle is circumscribed by a quadrilateral ABCD.
okay. We have to prove that sum of sides AB and CD is equal to sum of sides AD and BC, that is AD plus BC. So what we have to prove here? We have to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So let us see how we can prove this. Solution. Let us first redraw the given figure. One circle you draw and a ABCD which circumscribes this circle. Let us name this quadrilateral as A, B, C, D, and point of contacts as P, Q, R, and S. Now here ABCD is a quadrilateral, but you look at the figure, you will understand that A, B, C, and D are some external points from where the tangents AP, AS, BP, BQ, CQ, CR, DR, and DS are drawn. Right? So, you can write here now from figure AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, CQ equal to CR, and DR equal to DS. And DR equal to DS. Why we can write like this? Reason is tangents drawn to the circle from a common point are of equal length, are of equal length. Now we shall write for AB plus CD LHS AB plus CD. What is AB? If you look at the figure, AB is AP plus PB. What is AB? AB is AP plus PB. Plus CD. What is CD? CD is CR plus RD. CD is CR plus RD. CR plus. Now, from these equalities, we'll write for AP, PB, CR and RD. All these equalities we can call as equation 1 here. You all call this as equation 1 now. From equation 1, LHS equal to AP. AP is what? AS. What is PB? PB is BQ. Plus CR. CR is equal to CQ. Next RD. RD is equal to DS. RD is equal to DS. You have to combine the two terms here such that you will get the sum equal to AD plus BC. The sum equal to AD plus BC. What is AD? If you look at the figure, AD is equal to AS plus DS. AS plus DS or AS plus SD. And what is BC? BC is BQ plus QC. Do we have these terms here? Let us see. AS and DS we are having. You bring them together. AS and DS. We are having BQ and CQ also. You bring them together. Now AS plus DS is AD, BQ plus CQ is BC. And that becomes our RHS. Which means LHS will be equal to RHS. So on next page I will write AD plus BC. Have you all copied this last line? So AD plus BC, that is equal to RHS. And scrote